So hello everybody. The motive of today is to build an application with Dualite Alpha that that's going to be similar to Nano Banana, right? It generates the image when the user gives in his prompts and also saves the entire thing. It also should save the images generated by the user onto the Supabase database, right? Or maybe another database like Supabase. So let's start the video. What I'm gonna do over here is head over to OpenAI Studios. I have it on my Opera. Let's go to the OpenAI platform and just sign in from here if you haven't, or make an account using Google. Go to your profile and see the billing section. If you don't have any credits over here, just add to credit balance through here. The minimum amount of credits that you can add is $5, right? And yeah, you can just proceed with that. Just make sure that you have some number over here, maybe $1, right? I'm gonna go to my dashboard now, right? And API keys and create a new secret key, and that's gonna be key is gonna be nano banana, right? I create the secret key, and I'm gonna copy it, right? And I'm gonna go back to my Dualite. Yeah. So create an interface for image generation where the user can put in his prompts and generate the corresponding images. The theme of the web page is gonna be this. Design theme always works. Either you can do like pitch white theme and elegant black text, or you can do pitch black theme or elegant white text. It's very good looking, right? I'm gonna be pitch white and use elegant pitch black fonts. Hashtag 00000, right? Just also just like drop in your OpenAI keys, right? OpenAI keys. By the way, I'm gonna delete the OpenAI keys after the video is recorded, so you won't be able to see it. But just know that Dualite is completely client-sided, and all the storage that happens, it does not go to a cloud database. Your private keys are safe on the browser that you are accessing Dualite through, right? I'm just gonna click on this. Let's wait for it to generate. Okay, so by the time it's generating this, I am going to like create a Supabase like configuration, you know. Since we are not just creating a project that generates the images, it also should store those images onto a database like Supabase, right? Let's go to the Supabase, and I'm gonna like sign in. uh Let me sign in with um, let's continue with GitHub, I guess. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do in Supabase is gonna create a new organization. I'm gonna name it Nano Banana and create organization. And inside that organization, I'm going to create a project, right? I'm going to name it Nano Banana Project. And the database passwords should be anything. Just name it anything. It doesn't really matter according to your own. And create a new project. So now, since we have created the database, the inside the organization, let's like see what Dualite has generated, right? All right, so this is the interface it has generated. Let me generate an image. A serene, what has, okay, a serene mountain with a mountain deer climbing up with his mom. Let's generate the image. Hmm. It takes a while to generate images, by the way, right? Let's wait. So this is the image it has generated. Now, as we can see, if I reload this, the images are going to be gone. The images are going to be gone, right? And I don't want that. I want this thing. When I click on save image, it should like save images, right? So what I'm going to instruct it now is, firstly I'm going to connect Supabase, sign in with Supabase, right? And I'm gonna give the access to the organization Nano Banana and authorize Dualite over its projects, right? And let's also give it this project access. Select project. Successfully connected the project to Superbase. Great. So now what I'm going to name it, like give it very specifically what I exactly want. So what I want is a system where user can log in, use Superbase login, and also create images and store those images. And those images are stored, right, on the inside the Supabase database. Supabase database storage. Uh, put my Supabase API keys in the .env file. Don't like mess the OpenAI keys in the .env file, and yeah, run suitable schemas. Save the schemas. I think this should be enough for a prompt. Let's just run it. Okay, so what it has done is generated the schema, and I'm also gonna just apply the changes. I mean, I can just run the schemas from here itself. Apply changes, and I'm gonna run the server. It is also given the next steps. Great. Let's wait for it to run. Right. Okay. So this has given me like a sign into your account page, and I don't have an account. Firstly, I'm gonna have to sign up, right? Shivam Singh, and I'm gonna put my email, shubsoch@gmail.com. Also gonna put my password, anything. sign up, right? Okay, so that's the thing with Supabase with Dualite. You can also set up a complete login system, right? Mhm. It hasn't sent me the mail yet. Okay, it has come. Supabase auth, and I'm going to confirm my mail. Okay, clicking on that link, authentication successful. Okay, great. And I'm gonna go back to Dualite. Okay, so now that I've signed up, I am gonna sign in with the same email and click on sign in. Close. Okay, I have now signed in. I can see my name over here and stuff. Describe my image. Uh, a serene. Let's just like a mountain image with sunset occurring and while during sunset with a lake reflecting everything, make it extremely beautiful, right? Mm, so I'm gonna generate the image. The image generation is gonna take some time. Let's see. uh Okay, that's great. It has like even generated an image, right? Right. So I'm also just gonna generate another image. A boy using mobile phone playing Clash of Clans on it. Let's generate that, right? hmm The image generator is pretty good. It has like taken care of the reflection should be somewhat blurred. Okay, but let's see what this has to offer. This prompt. Okay, that's pretty good. I can even view it full, right? I can just like download it from here. Okay. So now I'm gonna like reload the page and like show you guys. Let's. Mhm. If the Supabase database is not connected, I won't be able to see the images. But I can see those images since Supabase has been connected, and I can just simply view full those images and access them again. So this is like a complete system where you can like generate images and store them on the Supabase database, and like it's like a full stack application. So that's it. So that's it from my side for today, guys. Thank you so much for following along. And for more such videos, just click on that subscribe button and see you guys in the next one.